Okay, Akshita, good morning. We will start the class, and in this class we are going to learn about how to calculate mean using Excel sheet. It's a very interesting thing. Actually, what happened is I recorded the class previously, but recording got stopped by pressing the wrong key and I did not notice it. Now again we will do that. So let's go back to your textbook. This is the data, sir, given in your textbook. We are taking this data up to here. So temperatures are given as 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So we'll open an Excel sheet. And write down here as temperatures. Next we have temperatures and then frequency. So make it big. This one we can put one color, and this one we can put another color, and make these fonts big. चलेगा. So इतना तो ठीक है ना. Now temperatures are given as 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, right? The frequencies are given as, let me once check whether the recording is continued or not. Yeah, recording is getting continued. Frequency is given as 13377. Let me write it. 377. Then we have 2701. So now Akshita, we need first of all sigma f. We need sigma fx column also, no? Sigma fx column. Sigma fx. So what do we need? We need to get the 15 into 1. That summation we need. So you have to write the formula in this place. Always the formula has to be started with equal to, put brackets, this cell into this cell, close the brackets. So you will get directly value. Now to extend this formula, you can just extend this cell like this. The formula will be copied for all that cells. So down you need sigma fx. This column, sir, should be named as only fx, not sigma fx. And here you need sigma f. So we need addition of all that. So for that we'll write the formula like this, equal to, and then put the sum, open brackets, start with this cell and it is going to end at this cell, and then close the brackets. So you will get the summation. So this one you can put it in different color. Now here also we need sigma fx. So again write the formula, equal to sum, open brackets, start with this column and then drag it down to this column and then close the brackets. You'll get 5. This also you can put it in another color. Okay, so here these two are important things for us. All borders will put it. So sigma f value, this is sigma f value, 31 is sigma f value. I'll just show you that one second. So here if you see, Akshita, this 31 is there, na? 31 is called sigma frequency, and 583 is there, na? That is sigma fx. So if you want mean, actually we'll do mean by sigma fx by sigma f. For that we need to write the formula here. Okay, let's write it. Mean is nothing but, in this cell we will write the formula, equal to this cell divided by this cell. correct. Put enter. See, you will automatically get 18.80645. everything Excel only will do. Now once that this table is created, Akshita, let me once check recording is happening or not. Yeah, it is happening. Once this table is created, now you change any of the temperatures, any of the frequency, automatically all the data will change. Sigma fx will change, frequency will change. Let's imagine this 19 ka frequency is there, let's change it to 500. Then automatically all the data will change. Say 9500 it got changed, here 9950 it got changed, 524 the sigma frequency change, mean value got changed to 18.98855. now if you put it to 5000, see now all the values will change. Now 95000, 95450, 5024, mean is also changed, sir. So now this is the Excel sheet. I hope you understood this, Akshita. Now in this Excel sheet like this you can create many formulae, whatever, not only addition subtractions, are plenty of things are there. You can create even charts and everything, such a wonderful. If you get the time, free time, sir, take an online course of learning about the Excel and you can do this beautiful. Actually you can learn, you can even program the Excel sheet. You can program in your own way Excel sheet. Right now Excel sheet is given to you, you can use the formula in that, but you can learn the programming of Excel sheet itself. So that also you can do. Now you can also try, Akshita, with any of the data you can create an Excel sheet and calculate the mean automatically. That's a very nice thing. This Excel sheet I will send to you. If you are able to create anything, please send me that also after creation. So this is the thing about the using Excel sheet to calculate the mean. Range and median you can easily calculate, na? Okay, now let's go to the 706, that is the dot plots and stem and leaf plots. Let me put the heading. Where is the pen? One second, somewhere pen has gone. Here it is there. Please put the heading as 706 dot plots and stem and leaf plots. So first we are going to learn about dot plots. I think this is easy only, Akshita. Akshita, one thing I am saying, if you need time to create that Excel sheet, understand it, stop the video and understand about the thing. Don't worry, I might be going fast in my, because I am recording for half an hour. In that half an hour the content is for 1 hour. You may have to pause it and do it, it will take time for you. Dot plots, let's see from your textbook what they have given. See here, a dot plot is a graph that uses dots to show the frequency of each score. A dot plot shows any gaps in the data, any clusters, any outliers, extremely high or low score. Outliers matlab extremely high or low score. For example, there is an exam conducted in your class. The exam is very tough. All people got average 50 marks, 60 marks, but Akshita got 99. It is an outlier. Why? Because you got extremely high. There is another person called Sashidhar in the class. He got 0 marks. That is an outlier, extremely low score. But remaining all students got average like 50, 60 like that marks. So, and clusters, when scores are grouped or bunched together, like remaining all students got around 15. That's called cluster. They all grouped to that data. So I think you understood about cluster. What is outlier? Any gaps in the data also you can see, because gap means one person got 30, another person got 60. Oh, you can see that gap in the dot plot. How the scores are spread out. All these things we are going to see in the dot plot. For example, I think example 10 is given. See here. You can write it, sir. Please put the heading in your notebook as a dot plot and write down in your notebook that dot plot is a graph that uses dots to show frequency. Dots are used, sir, very important. Dots are not used to show the data. Dots are used to show the frequency of the data. That is the first point you can write. Second one, dot plots help us to show any gaps in the data. It helps us to show the clusters. It helps us to show the outliers. It helps us to show how the data is spread out. Like how much the data, it can show you the range, from where to where the data got spread out. The dot plot can show you. Please write down these 4 points. Although they are there in your textbook, if you write it, they can get recorded in your brain also. Fine. Please stop the video and write it. I am going ahead. Example 10. See example 10. A music store recorded the daily sales figure of particular CD album while it was popular and displayed results in a dot plot. Daily sales of CD album. So what is this daily sales? What is this 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18? 13 copies sold. What exactly, sir, we are recording here? Music store recorded the daily sales figure of particular sale while it was popular. It displays results on dot plot. Daily sales. Okay. The down numbers are 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Sir, these numbers are what exactly? Number of CDs, number of CD albums sold. So 13 number of CDs are sold on 2 days. I think you are getting that. 13 albums, 13 CDs were sold on 2 days. 12 CDs are sold on 3 days. 14 CDs are sold on 6 days. 15 CDs are sold on 2 days. 16 CDs were sold on 1 day. 17 no day people bought 17 CDs, but 18 CDs people bought on 4 days. So this is the dot plot. Now if you want for clarity, you can write it actually. 12 CDs 3 days it happened, so totally fine. 13 CDs 2 days it got sold. 14 CDs 6 days. 15 CDs 2 days. 16 CDs 1 day. 17 CDs 0 day. 18 CDs 4 days. Add the number of days. 3 plus 2 6 is 12. 12 3 15 54 19. I think 19 days they have taken the data. So he is asking on how many days were exactly 13 copies sold. So 13 copies were sold on 2 days. That should be the answer for A. Let's check it whether correct or not. Yes, 13 copies were sold on 2 days. That is the first answer, Akshita. 13 copies were sold on 2 days. What is the range he is asking? Range matlab, sir, our data, you should first of all write it like a frequency table, you will understand it. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. That frequency for 12 is 3, 13 is 2, 14 is 6, 15 is 2, 16 is 1, 17 is 0, 18 is 4. So highest frequency is 14, lowest, no, he is asking range na. So if he is asking the range, highest minus lowest, so 18 minus 12, the range should be 6. So range is 6, 18 minus 12, clear. Now he is asking you, what is mode? Mode means highest frequency, that is 14 na? You can easily see frequency is nothing but represented with the dots. So how to represent with the dot? The first level dot should be at same level, second level dots at the same level, third, all should be in the same levels. So then only you can understand it easily. Find the mode, Akshita. Mode is nothing but 14. Median, how do you find the median here? So first of all, calculate the total frequency. How much? 3 plus 2 plus 6 plus 2 plus 1 plus 0 plus 4. How much is this? 11, 3, 11, 3, 14, 14, 4, 18. 18 is the total frequency. Now if you want median, we should do as your teacher told me 18 plus 1 by 2, that's going to be 9.5. It is I think 9.5, where it will be? Yeah, 9.5 will be at the 14, therefore median will be 14. Let's see whether median is 14 or not. See here, between 9 and 10, he numbered it, sir, very nice actually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9.5 will be exactly in between the average. So the median is going to be 14. Akshita, is this clear? It should be. If doubtful, please message me again, sir. Once again explain. Next, calculate the median. Median is nothing but sigma fx by sigma f. Let's calculate that. So let's draw the frequency table. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. For 12 the frequency is 3, for 13 the frequency is 2, 14 6, 15 2, 16 1, 17 0, 18 4. Sigma fx will be 36, 26, 60 plus 24, 84, 30, 16 0, 72. The sigma will be 12 for 16, 16 6, 22 2, 24. 5 to 7, 7 8, 15, 15 3, 18, 18 1, 19, 19 7, 26. Therefore, the mean will be sigma fx by sigma f. Sigma fx we got 264. By sigma f is going to be total frequency, I think 19. 264 by 19, Akshita. I am going ahead to see whether my calculations are correct or not. See, he might have calculated here. Yeah, by 18 he is saying. Chalega. 18 dots are there, it seems. Total I have calculated as 19 dots. So you might get this as 264 by 18, nothing but 14.7. So this is about the first problem, Akshita, about the dot thing. I hope so you understood this. Slowly do the problem and understand it clearly. Next, this answer can be found using a frequency table or your calculated statistics mode. So we are drawing, actually he is saying don't use the frequency table, but we have used it, no problem. Using frequency table is not a wrong thing. Okay. Next one, stem and leaf plot. Sir, I think we need to do some problems upon the dot plot. Let's put the stem and leaf plot for the next session. Let's do some of the problems on so dot plots. We have 1 2 3 questions. Fourth question is also based on dot plot. Even fifth question is dot plot. Okay, from then there is stem. Okay, up to fifth question we have dot plot. Let us do the practice, Akshita. Let us do this first question. This is a question from exercise 706. Let us do all the 4 questions, we'll get clarity. So, Akshita, if you see for the first one, I think let's take the first diagram separate. What all things we need for this first diagram? Range, mode, median, mean. They want all. They want range, mode, median and mean. Correct? So all these things are easy only. First of all, range matlab highest data minus lowest data na. 12 minus 7. 5 is the range. Is that clear, Akshita? Mode matlab kya hota hai? Mode is highest frequency. Highest frequency is 11 with frequency 4. So mode is 11. Median. If you want median, na, he has used a good method. He has written all the dates. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. He has written all the frequency numbers. Now total frequency will be 11. So total frequency is 11. That is 11 dots are there, Akshita. 11 dots. So 11 plus 1 by 2, as your teacher said, that is nothing but 6. So where is that 6th dot, Akshita? 6th dot is somewhere here. Therefore the mean is going to be the value of the data at the 6th dot, that is 10. Now mean, we have to calculate mean. Always pause the video and please write down. Don't be in hurry like me. Actually, sir, I wanted to give as much as possible in this half an hour. If at all any feedback for my speed, please give it. mean. So for calculating mean, sir, we can just draw the frequency table. That will also help us. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So what is the frequency of 7? No dot is there, 0. Frequency of 8, 3 dots are there. Frequency of 9, 2 dots. Frequency of 10, 1 dot. Frequency of 11, 4 dots. Frequency of 12, 1 dot. Akshita, once let me check it whether the recording is happening properly or not. Yeah, recording is happening. Very nice. Okay. Now sigma fx you can calculate. 7 into 0, 0. 8 into 3, 24. 9 into 2, 18. 10 into 1, 10. 11 into 4, 44. 12 into 1, 12. So sigma fx is going to be 24. No, 18 plus 12 is 30. 30 plus 10 is 40 plus 44 plus 24. 68. It's going to be 108. Sigma f is going to be how much? 516, 65, 11. Therefore, mean is going to be sigma fx by sigma f. Sigma fx is 108 by sigma f is 11. 108 by 11, if you calculate, I think I don't have the calculator, Akshita. Just calculate and check whether answer is matching or not. Check whether answer is matching. If it's matching, wonderful. If it's not matching, once check where we have done wrong. You will get the mistake. Actually, I am sure, Akshita, you have the capability of finding your own mistake. If at all not coming, check it where we are doing. I may do mistake in my hurry actually, but please correct my mistake. Okay, we'll go to the second problem. I am erasing this from the screen. Everything I am erasing, Akshita. Okay, now next I am going for the second problem. Yes, for this second one also we need, what all things we need, Akshita? Range, mode, median and a mean. After doing all these problems, you will get thorough clarity. So if you want, you can number it now itself. Actually, number them. If you want, you can number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Correct? So one thing we can understand from this, what we can understand, sigma f, the total frequency is 15. Therefore, median, if you want to find median, you can find eighth element. Actually, eighth element, median, you can say eighth element is nothing but this one, right? That is 22. Therefore, median is 22. That one we can say. Next, they want range. Range is going to be 24 minus 20. Mode, highest frequency is 24. With how much frequency? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 frequency actually. I'm just writing it here so that for your clarity. Mean. They want mean matlab sigma fx by. So you can write it here. 20 into 2. 20 is repeating 2 times plus 21 into 3 plus 22 into 4 plus 23 into 1 plus 24 into 5 divided by total frequency is going to be how much? 15. Akshita, calculate this value. I think I'll just write the value 40 plus 63 plus 88 plus 23 plus 120 by 15. 160 plus 86 plus 88 by 15. Once calculate this, Akshita, whatever value you get, check it backside whether that value is matching or not. So this is about the two dot plots which we are learning. About the dot plot, one second, let me check whether the recording is happening. Yes. Okay, Akshita. Then yeah, this is the thing about the dot plots. I think it will take time for you to note down everything also. I'm stopping the class over here, Akshita. Okay, thank you dear Akshita, and I'll just stop it.